Welcome back to the channel, guys. I hope everyone's been keeping well. Today what we're going to be doing is hopefully cleaning the MAF sensor for the FN2. So a lot of people in the previous video with the Red X had been suggesting to clean the MAF sensor, so that's what we're going to try and do today. So I'm just heading over to Halfords just now to pick up some electrical contact cleaner just to see about the throttle bodies. But I was reading up on the throttle bodies situation. So what a lot of people have been suggesting is get the throttle bodies relearned. I'm looking into taking it to Honda or a Honda specialist. So if you guys know any Honda specialists, especially in Scotland, please do let me know. But yeah, I'm going to try and see if I can take the specialist just to see if they can try and reset the throttle positioning and also fix this over-revving issue with the car. After Halfords, I'm going to go and change the headlamps today. So I've got H7 bulbs, so the headlights are going to get changed, the headlight bulbs, sorry, and the side lights as well, because one of them's blown. So, and because it's coming up to winter, ideally you want to have a good set of headlight bulbs. Yeah, so we're going to go pick up some bulbs and then head to my mate Himi's place to try and fit them, and also do a bit of work on one of my other mates' cars as well. He's got a problem with his reversing lights, and he's got a problem with one of his tyres as well, I think. So I'm going to try and look into that. Yeah, so it should be a fun day, kind of filled with various shenanigans, car shenanigans, and a little bit of VTEC as well, a bit of wheel spinning in the wet. So just picked up the Halfords goodie bag. Now we're going to head to Eurocar Parts to pick up the lights. So we're going to be picking up the H7 Phillips lights, and they come with the side lights included. Weather is not great today in Scotland. It's very bad weather. It's like I think it's about a storm coming, really windy. So yeah, typical Scotland. If you like this video, make sure you give it a wee like as well, and yeah, subscribe to the channel. Let's get going to Eurocar Parts. Catch you in the next one. The H7 bulbs. So these are the Phillips White Vision Intense White Xenon Effect, and they also come with the side lights. So you don't need to buy the side lights separately, they come with a specific side light for the car, which is quite good. It means I can just fit both of them, but we'll see how this one comes out. I went for the Intense White Xenon Effect. So yes, we've arrived at HQ. Himi's bit, I can see they've just pulled up in the Rev2, MR2. I'll put my window down, should be able to see them. There they are there. There they are there. I've just pulled up. Himi's pulled up. I think Moise's car is there, but I don't know if he's sitting in his car or not. But yeah, we're going to get into this hopefully, and let's see how the car looks with the new lights. I'm hoping it looks nicer, a lot nicer, and I'm mainly hoping that the visibility is improved, because obviously with the lights the way they are right now, they're the halogen lights, quite yellow. These are also halogen, but they're the sort of more Xenon style white light. And I'm hoping that, you know, they do come out really nice and improve visibility considerably, because right now visibility is really poor. So these lights hopefully will improve the visibility. And yeah, we're going to use electrical contact cleaner as well. I've got some here from Halfords. Going to try and clean the MAF sensor. this is the mass airflow sensor that we are going to be cleaning. And we've got it placed on top of a Mark 1 Toyota MR2. Yeah.
This dude kind of stripped.
Yeah, kind of stripped it. I don't know if I'm supposed to be showing this.
It doesn't matter.
Your channel in it. So.
Show it. I
got it on my hand.
That's that goes in.
No.
Oh no, I didn't go. Alright,
I was like, now he's laid down the protection.
no, that should be good.
There's a resistor there as well, that's fine.
Should we check that
It's
back?
a tiny resistor, yeah, so those are the sensors, not bad.
Oh, it does look sick. That's all white now.
Oh yeah, that side light's, that's just one side light. If you like that video, make sure to give it a wee like and subscribe to the channel as well. So yeah, we've basically fixed the lights, put new H7 Phillips bulbs in, and I'll leave a wee link to the product that I got for the bulbs, the H7 bulbs. So they actually come with the side lights, as I said before. And yeah, we cleaned the MAF sensor to see if that would help with over-revving problem with the FN2. Over-revving in neutral when the car's coasting from 1000 RPM to 3000 RPM, that's still prevalent. I think it has slightly improved, but I do believe that it is the throttle positioning sensor that needs to be reset and relearned, as a lot of you guys have mentioned previously as well. So I'm going to look into taking it hopefully to Honda UK or a Honda specialist if I can find one locally, and see if they can try and fix the issue, see if they can reset the sensor. And then hopefully the car, if they can and everything's fine, hopefully the car will be as good as new. So stay tuned for more content, and I'll keep this posted as well, what's happening with the car. And I hope everyone's staying safe as well in these tough times. But thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.